My name is Carlos Alvarado. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I went to undergrad at University of Chicago. I trained in New York at NYU and did my fellowship training or subspecialty training in adult hip and knee reconstruction at Harvard. It was kind of a chance encounter with someone who was injured, and I got to help them, and that felt good. And I told that to my grandma, believe it or not, and she said, "We don't have a doctor in the family. Why don't you be a doctor?" And then I just said, "Sure," and I promised her I would, and then I became a doctor. Orthopedics is the perfect marriage of engineering and getting to care for people, because we're reconstructing joints, we're reconstructing human anatomy. As someone who traveled here from another country, we spoke Spanish growing up, and that's something incredibly important to me and something that I want to pass on. It's important to my kids. And I recognize that as an important thing to my patients. For me, as a member of the Latin American community as a whole, it's an honor and a privilege and really a duty to continue to deliver quality health care to them.